Can you believe it? This is high season on the beautiful island of Koh Mook. For the last several days, we've been on the island of Koh Lanta, but this morning we are getting on a speedboat and we are heading towards the island of Koh Mook. So we're at the pier here in Koh Lanta, Saladin Pier, and we're just getting ready to board our boat to Koh Mook. The ferry ride's, I think, about an hour, so not too long, and we're going to be using the Bundaya ferries. And let me just show you a little bit around the pier. Lots of people waiting for boats. There's lots of places to sit. It's really quite pleasant. Places to eat. You're just really right on the edge of Saladin town. There's restaurants and food vendors across the way. Okay, we're getting on our speedboat to Koh Mook. Let's see what it's like. All of the speedboats land here at the very long pier at Koh Mook. And there are plenty of tuk-tuks once you get off that will take you into town or wherever your accommodation is. So we are on the little island of Koh Mook and we're staying at the charming little Mook Inglay place. And let me show you our room. I'll start with the outside first. We've got this lovely little deck here where it's nice and cool. Kind of a peek-a-view view of the sea. Turn around. And it's a good sized room with a king size bed. We've got a little desk area with a kettle. And we have a place to hang laundry and our clothes. A refrigerator. Another little closet area. And then we've got a good sized bathroom here. Looks good to me. I think we're really going to enjoy this place. All right, here are the taxis in Koh Mook. We're heading to the beach. Charlie's Beach is about a 10-minute tuk-tuk ride from the main town, and it is a great place to come and to watch the sunset. Really lovely swimming and just really nice for hanging out on the beach. If you look in the distance, you can see there's lots of vendors set up, and they also have chairs and umbrellas that you can rent. Let's go.
Off to the races. Spinning in the sand.
I think it's way harder in your seat. So here's the Koh Mook Pier where you'll likely arrive. I was going to do a bit of filming when we arrived here at noon today, but it was just blistering hot and there wasn't a lick of wind, and I just thought we got to get to our place. But we've come out tonight and it's windy and oh, it's just so beautiful. So we're gonna walk here along Savali Beach. It's also, they've got a resort here, which looks like a nice place to stay. We're gonna walk right to the tip to the other side. So we're just leaving Koh Mook to head over to Koh Kradan for a day trip snorkeling tour. Koh Kradan is supposed to be one of the best snorkeling spots in Thailand, and I'm looking forward to going there, and I'll show you what it's like. What? Yeah. Oh, turtle. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wow. Reach. Yeah. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay, about 30 minutes later, we've reached Koh Kradan here, and I've got my scalp protecting bandana on, and we're just about to get in the water. The snorkeling here was about the best we experienced in Thailand. So we've stopped here at the beach at Koh Kradan after 2 snorkeling sites, and this is the quintessential turquoise water. Man, it is really beautiful. And just like that, it was time to return to Koh Mook. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this short visit to Koh Mook. Join us in the next video as we head to the southernmost island of Koh Mook Bay.